We do have a new badge in the Abstract portal. GM and welcome to a new video. This is already part 42 of my Abstract series here on my channel. Thanks for watching yet another episode of this Abstract series. I released quite a few videos these last days. In this one here, I will cover the new badge, give you a little update because we have just gotten our experience points update. It is the first experience point update of the year. We're gonna take a quick look. First of all, congrats to everyone who maybe ranked up to silver, gold, platinum. Let me know in the comments if you did. Now, enough talk. Before we go to the badge and how to get it, quick experience points update. I got another nearly 9,000 experience points. I did not do much on Abstract, to be honest. I streamed only for like 20 to 30 minutes last week. I didn't have too much time because I was busy preparing all the different videos that I did. For example, I released an Airdrops 2026 ranked list. You can check it out here. This is everything you need to know around airdrops, so make sure to check that one out. And let me know in the comments how much experience you got. We already talked about this one in the last video, but what is new is this badge here. This is the email notification badge, and this badge is awarded to those who enable email notifications on their account. Visit your profile page to update your preferences. So for many of you, if you already activated this, I think I've shown this in the Abstract Explainer, the half-hour video where I go into everything around the Abstract portal, how to get started, how to get funds in there, out of there, how to bridge and all of that. But if you did not do this, I'm happy to show you how. To your profile, you click in the top right corner and then you hit edit profile, and then you can connect an email. I'm gonna hide mine here so you don't spam me with your BS. And then you need to toggle this one here on. Receive notifications and updates. I had it on anyways, but if you did not, just activate this one, go back to rewards, then you probably need to refresh. Either hit this one here, or sometimes you need to do a hard refresh. On the Mac, it's Command Shift and R, and I think on a Windows PC, it's Shift F5, and then this badge should show up with the golden lock. You can then click on it and claim your email notification badge. Apart from that, not much has happened, to be honest. We already talked about the experience points update. I gave you the hint of checking out the airdrops tutorial. I know that a lot of you like this. I see this because of the views for this one. Apart from that, there's not much updates. As soon as we have a new flash badge, so the follow-up to the Cryptoys collector badge, I'm pretty sure that there will be one very soon. I will let you know. And until then, check out my other videos, for example, the airdrop videos. I got a series on Solana privacy coming up, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Just a short video explaining how to get the email notification badge, a quick update in the Abstract ecosystem, and as soon as there's any news, I will do another video or the weekly roundup next week. So thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.